This place is so nice. Tell me this isn't a vibe. Like, what? I'm in the jungle. I'm in the jungle. I'm trying to figure out where they got all of this greenery from, because if y'all see where we're actually located, we are in the desert, okay? And look at the waves. Y'all, so I am all dressed and ready to head out. I'm going to the store. Like I said, I switched cameras, so excuse the change in quality. I cannot control that. I mean, I can, but I won't. So yeah, bringing my handy dandy umbrella, and I have a raincoat on because it's supposed to rain. I'm not Look, Gizzy is mad at me because I'm leaving her. Poor babes. Gizzy butt. Hi, pretty girl. Hello. Hello, pretty butt. Okay, no more. Mama's gotta go. So yes, I'm leaving now. And see y'all in the car probably. You guys, so it is currently 8:30 and I am on my way to my girl Sunshine's crib to drop off my baby. Look at her, just spoiled. Like, I'm confused. I don't know how this is all gonna go, but I'm speaking well, because now I'm not gonna lie to y'all, as I was packing the car and I had to like walk back and forth between my apartment and the car over and over, she peed one of those times that I walked out of the door. So yeah, I don't know if it was just because she had to go to the bathroom or if it was one of them like separation anxiety type things or whatever, but as y'all might know, like literally the only way I can get her to ride in the car with me without like tripping, and unless I have her kennel in here, is literally ooh, I have her other kennel. I might let her sleep in that one instead. But it's literally by letting her ride in my lap. Like, this is how bad she is. Like, I don't get it. I really don't. I don't know how I raised such a spoiled little brat. Like, it makes me sick. But we love her to death, so that's my babes. But yeah, I'm gonna drop her off there, bring in Sunshine all her stuff that she left at our crib, and then I'm gonna meet back up with Lele and we're gonna head on to Richmond. I'm excited. I don't know how to act, honestly. I'm gonna act a fool, but it's lit. It's super lit. But yeah, other than that, like, I'm not really doing anything, so I'll update y'all, I guess, like the ride there. It's gonna be boring, but yeah. So see you guys soon. All right, y'all. I look so tired. Oh, so it is currently 3 o'clock in the morning, and I just got out the shower. A just got in. We're about to head on to the airport. The guy is supposed to pick us up at 3:15, I think. And yeah, I'm whispering because I don't want to be loud. Everybody else is still asleep. Yeah, not really much update other than that. I'm tired. We got like 2 hours of sleep, but fuck it, we ball. But yeah, other than that, I'm chilling for now, trying to get myself together. Excuse me. But yeah, just waiting on him to come here. I'm gonna try and charge up my stuff before we go. days. Before you know it, we'll be in Mexico. We in this beach, yeah, gang, gang, gang. Too early in the morning, I'm starving. I literally feel like I'm dying. I need like, I don't know, a vending machine or something. Like, I can't even buy me a neck pillow. Everything is closed in here. What time do you think they open? 5, 6? Maybe they are. Closed. Big sign that says closed. Yeah. Girl, I don't need no coffee. That's the last thing I need. Be stuck on a flight. Coffee in my stomach. Shit. Alright, well, I guess I'll just update y'all when we get on the flight. It's probably gonna be like an hour. I don't even know what time it is. I'm in Detroit, bitches. Just kidding. No, but I really am in Detroit. I'm so tired. And this thing is about to die, so I'm not gonna do too much, but I'm in Detroit. Got about a 30-minute wait and I'm back on takeoff. Then I'll be in Mexico City. I'm excited. Woo-hoo. Alright, y'all, so it is currently I lied, it's 2 o'clock. I landed in Mexico City at probably like an hour ago. I'm just waiting. They told me I have to wait until 3 o'clock to see where my flight is gonna be, or where my gate's gonna be. So I'm just sitting in their like waiting area, I guess you would call this. Yeah. I feel like I should get some food. I have coffee, but I feel like I should get some food because I don't know. Like, I'm not exactly hungry, but I feel like I might end up getting hungry. And I don't know if they'll have food in the other airport. But y'all, oh my god, sleeping on this plane has been hell on earth, I swear. Like, this little thing, it don't do it for me. Like, my head be bobbing, I'm doing this. I'm lucky we have to wear masks on the plane because my mouth was wide the fuck open. I slobbered in my freaking mask. Like, that's nasty. What the heck? But yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. And yeah, like, this is Mexico City. We're getting closer and closer. So yeah, nothing special. Like I said, I have to wait till 3 o'clock, so I have another hour. I'm gonna try and edit some videos while I'm on here, and I'm gonna be productive. Now, y'all, this is about to be interesting because I'm about to try and edit on my phone because, you know, I don't have a MacBook. And I don't know what editing software I could use on my laptop that would actually work because I was using Premiere Pro at first. Premiere Pro just does not fuck with me, like, at all. For some reason, Premiere Pro always shuts down on me. Like, I'm gonna try and open it right now, and this is what I always get. Like, what does that even mean? Why do I pay for this if it's not gonna work? Like, oh my gosh. Ooh, okay, this music is talking in my ear though. Hold on. Alright, y'all, so I finally landed. I'm litty. Hold on. It's a little ugly here. Trying not to ruin my camera at the same time as doing this, but yeah, I finally landed. They have my bags sitting. We don't know if this is gonna be my van yet or not. I'm waiting just to meet up with the girls, but let me tell you, it is hot out here. I don't know where my taxi man went to, but I'm just waiting to see if this is the one for me.
Yeah, it's over there.
He brought my bag. He said he needed to make sure that this was the right one.
Huh?
I guess. I don't know.
Okay.
Thank you. Trying to make sure they're not trying to finesse me because my ride should already be paid for. Yeah, this place, too beautiful. All right, y'all, so I'm here and I know you see this place. It's wild. I'm ready to turn up. I just got off the phone with my mom, so I had to act like I had some kind of common sense, but I'm excited. I'm about to show my ass today, this week. Oh. Thank you, Jesus. I thank God every day for the opportunity to even be able to do stuff like this, because not everybody can. So I am blessed and highly favored. Where is this girl at? I'm hungry, I ain't ate, I haven't slept properly, but I don't care. I'm gonna be going to the end of the day. Literally a 12-hour drive. Like, it was a 12-hour. Yo, I'm in the front. They're not. All right. Hey. I'm turned for no reason. This bitch is hungry. No. We in Mexico. We in. It's okay. What's up, y'all? So I've been up for like an hour, but it's 9:48 here. So we're 2 hours behind our regular time. So it's 9:48 right now, and we are getting ready to go to the grocery store because this isn't an all-inclusive hotel, and they be trying to charge us an arm and a leg for food, and I'm a cheap wad. Yes, I am. I don't care. So we're gonna go to the grocery store. We're gonna get some stuff to cook, and I think we're planning on going to the pool for a little bit, take some pictures, do some swimming while their moms cook, and then yeah, I don't know. I don't really know what all the plans are for today, but we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. I'm a little excited. I'm a lot excited. Actually, I kind of want to carry, this is much better. Me trying to hold the little camera from that angle was not it, so yeah. But check out my hair, it turned out so good. I'm so happy. But yeah, I was just trying to show y'all. I'm not gonna show the whole full room yet, just because it's a little dark in there and you can't really see much. But I want y'all to experience the beauty with me, because this is crazy. Like, this place is so nice. Tell me this isn't a vibe. Like, what? I'm in the jungle. I'm in the jungle. I'm trying to figure out where they got all of this greenery from, because if y'all see where we're actually located, we are in the desert, okay? And look at the waves. I want to go boogie boarding so bad. So bad. I can't surf, but I could boogie board, boy. Let me tell you. That's gonna be me out there. Y'all just wait on it. Just wait, okay? But yeah, so I'm super excited. And we have a pool too, but that's gonna be on our tour and stuff. So I'm just waiting to see where we're going. But let me put on some clothes so we can get to the grocery store, because you girls gotta eat something. Y'all say hi to my mama. To be a blessing. Say hi to the vlog. Oh wait. Hi, vlog. Let me get the right angle. There you go. Boom. Ain't my mama fine, y'all? That's where I get it from. Okay, that's where I get it from. She get it from her mama. You already know. But we're about to go to the pool. Woo-hoo. We're lit. Just got back from grocery shopping. And yeah, so I'll meet y'all at the pool. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. What's goody, what's goody, what is goody? So it is currently like 9, I don't know, 50 something maybe. We are supposed to be going on a boat trip. We're supposed to be, the guy's picking us up at 10 o'clock. Oh my gosh, no, my battery's gonna die. Please don't do that to me. I will probably have to record on my phone, but whatever. So, we're getting picked up at 10. I'm gonna let y'all see the fit, hold on. Black girl magic, boom. But yeah, so we're going on a boat trip, so I'm super excited for that. And he's picking us up at 10 o'clock. So, we just wait in. Is this actually? Make sure it's working proper. Okay, here we go. Yeah, he's picking us up at 10. We gotta be in the lobby. And it's a clear boat, so y'all are gonna see obviously, but yeah, I'm super lit. I'm excited. I'm sorry that I didn't get to record yesterday. We were too drunk. We were too drunk. There was, yeah. We had to enjoy our first day out here for real. We went to the little club thing they had and got super lit in the pool. But I had a really good time, so I'm not mad. I'm really not. Step back, I'm not mad. So yeah, so I'll catch y'all up when we get there. I can't bring you inside because they're playing music and I'm not trying to get demonetized. L2. Her, look at it, the camera. Yes, ladies. Okay.
Oh, that's so cute how they have it.
Yeah. Hola. Aw, I don't even think I can see what it
I
says.
was about to say we need a water slide. Oh, it's up. There's a resort right next to us
That has one, yeah.
Let's go.
And if all those girls from yesterday, they were all. What's up, y'all? We are.
Cabo.
Yeah, Cabo. We are currently on our way to, what is it? It's a booze cruise. A boozing cruise, so you already know what's going down. Ah! I'm here for the booze. I'm so excited. Ready to get lit. And we're all in dresses. We look super cute. These are the babies behind me. Super cute. Where are my other girls? Hold on, let's see if we can get them in here. I can't walk backwards. You can't see them, hold on. I'm gonna try and get them on here, 1 second. I don't want my makeup to get messed up. All right, let me see the fit. Fit check, drip check, drip check. Ooh, drip check. Ooh, hold up, hold up, hold up. Okay. Drip check for them. Thank you. They already know it's that. Oh, and a drip check. Yes. So we're lit. We're ready to go. Bruise and cruise. I'll see y'all on the boat. Thank you. We're on the boat. Y'all say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Hey y'all. Say hey boo. Hey. My girl Lily. Yeah, I remember. Yup. My girl, yeah. We're lit. And they're all the way out there. They're what?
Okay? Anniversary, anniversary.
To you.
quinceañeras, amigos y amigos. Con ustedes, that's right. I'm gonna bring out a chef. Vamos a traer un chef. Con ustedes, el mejor chef de los Cabos.
Fat boy.
I'll pick it up.
Who's gonna reach in there?
I will.
No, he's too far. He's too far. Come on, there you go. Come on, you got it.
Bite you.
Get it, Lily. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yeah, get it. Yeah, get it. Oh, he's too low. All right, what's up, you guys? Ooh, now my battery wants to be half dead. Of course. So we were on the boat and stuff yesterday. After we got off the boat, we went to the club. And babes, it was just no. We were so messed up last night. It's honestly ridiculous. But we were supposed to do snorkeling this morning, but they moved it to tomorrow. So we're on our way to the beach, I think.
But you haven't tried there yet.
True. Yeah. Right. Honestly, shoot. I might need to go right now because I'm hungry. But yeah, we were talking about how we haven't had like all the food that we've been having is more like tortillas and nachos, pico, stuff like that. And I want like sustenance. Like I want to eat like a rich bitch. I'm trying to eat lobster tails and stuff. That's not what this is. I don't think that's the vibe. But we just seen the little wooden girl place, so I'm gonna try that today. Hopefully that is what we were looking for. Yeah, because I don't see them. But look at our pool, it's so cute. Pool. Trying not to get people in the video. I don't want to get cussed out about not recording. I'm literally the worst at this. Like, I'm about to bust my toes open.
Hey vlog.
Hey vlog. So what happened?
We're just gonna go sit in the pool bar.
Quality is so bad. All of us in our green. Can you hear? Ooh, that looks good. Dang. We're about to go to a steakhouse, I think, ready to eat good. After being hungover, I have not been able to eat anything all day. But I'm not even smoking dick for real. Like, what? This, yeah. What the heck? Different positions. That is dirty. This girl got its octopus. Look at it's a leg. It's a. Yum.
Let's split one together.
Oh my god.
Sorry, I'm touching it.
Oh gosh, yeah.
I can't do it, Lily. So it'll do what?
It's literally a leg, yo. Like,
yeah. What did you put on yours? Eat the other side. Other side. That's a big piece for like your credit card.
but I feel like it's gonna be crunchy.
It's not crunchy. No, it's not. Okay, it's good. It's good. It's not crunchy. The more I just think about it, the more. Yeah, y'all just gotta do it.
Is it okay if I use your plate? Did you like take a picture of it?
Oh. Okay. But you're saying your bank.
Isn't it just like
It's burnt.
Not that bad.
your baked meat?
I don't know. It kind of tastes like chicken.
Right? That's what I think about all seafood. It tastes like chicken. Oh, you just jumped right in.
Oh.
Do you want some octopus?
Are you
sure?
I want to try a small piece.
Mm.
You're gonna say that I tried.
These
No.
are barbecue chicken.
Y'all both are gonna have some.
You want the rest of?
Y'all both are gonna have some.
Y'all, that's good. I thought it was gonna be bad.
She's fucking me into having
Here, you guys.
Okay.
Pass me your fork.
I wouldn't order it again, but it's not like
It
bad.
does taste like barbecue. It tastes like barbecue chicken.
Barbecue.
It's like lamb barbecue chicken though.
Alright, so we about to go snorkeling. Water is so much better over here. I'm gonna mess around and drop this. Oh, this might be my last day out here. This bad boy is big. Look at how I have it like. Oh no. We'll see. We'll see. It's a little big. I'm nervous. Ooh.
I don't like how close the save button and the discard button is on this.
Ooh, throw some more. Throw it on this side. I didn't get it. Look at the fish. Damn, as soon as I just got up.
I didn't even spot.
Me neither. Sing to me. Ooh, y'all stink. They stink. Hold up. Back up a little bit.
Come from like that's what I'm trying to figure out. Like I know they were born there and lived there. Where they be going?
Video before we got out the water. But it's too late.
No, we're coming back.
With the goggles and shit. But it's okay.
I'm like, he took our
Yeah, it's okay. I still got mine.
What happened?
I was trying to get it on video. Cause I wish I had. My camera's about to die. I'm running out. This is so cool though. They jumped off the rock. Super cute. I'm here for it. That's our man right there. We're about to go. Oh, we were just on the jet skis. Look, how we go snorkeling and jet skiing in one day. I'm tired. But the night's not over. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy.
Is that a mushroom?